messaging bot that I made within 5 minutes. All it does is ingest an inbound message. It goes to an AI completion node. The query is for any received text. I gave it a system message saying that it's a bot. It works at a cafe. His main duties are to take orders and send them to the kitchen. Otherwise, it will just answer questions about menus. You have one of two ways to go about the menu. You can either make an actual tool or a toolbox where it can actually search based on what the user is asking for. The AI will then decide whether or not it has to search within the tool, or you can just give it the whole menu. Since mine is short, if I press on this full screen button, it'll show you the entire menu here, and it was short enough that I could just copy and paste everything. I'm just making sure that it has all the menu as well as a description of it, the price, and then the information to take when the user is going to be making an order. So I have that down. And then lastly, it's just going to send a message back out to the end user. So the from number from the flow number, which is the to number in the case of the end user. The text is just going to be directly from the LLM, which I'm using 3.170B from Meta. So yeah, let me just start running the workflow. It's going to ask me for a message text. I'm going to be the end user saying, hello, can I make an order? Execute that. On the right hand side of the screen is where everything will pop up. I think the Flow team has done an incredible job with the UI here. My message will come up, says, welcome to Boba Bliss Cafe, and ask a couple of questions. I'm going to say, can I get a recommendation? I'm going to send that. Take some time to respond. Sends another message. This one's pretty long, but I can see that it came back with some good recommendations. I'm just going to say, do you have a non-dairy option? Send that over. It's on the completion node again. It's going to think and send a message back. It says all our fruit teas are dairy free. So I'm just going to say, can I get the passion peach fizz? Or actually, I'm just going to say, what is the passion peach fizz? Gonna think again. Cool. So it explains what it is, if I want it, and then what information it needs to complete that order. So I'm just gonna say yes. Passion peach fizz sounds perfect. Can I get it with less ice and 50% sugar? Cool. So now it's confirmed the order. Or I guess before confirming the order fully, it wants to know what toppings I want. I'm just gonna say, I don't want any toppings. I'll think again. Yep, so it confirmed the order, exactly what I ordered, and then it says, thank you for choosing Boba Bliss. One enhancement I could make, if this wasn't a 5-minute job, I would be making a tool to make an API request out to maybe Toast or something that is a POS vendor, so that they can make the order on the POS machine on its own, sort of like Uber Eats or Grubhub, if you can think of that. And yeah, that concludes my short demo for today. Thanks, y'all.